and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a video that I've never done, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my self tan routine. Now the fall is coming up, I lost my entire natural tan, so this is my regular color now. I'm more of a light to medium skin tone with olive undertones, so it's cute for the summer, but for the fall I needed that little bit extra of a glow and warmth. So I'm going to be using my favorites. I'm going to be using Bondi Sands tanning formulas. However, I'm going to share with you guys other options as self tanning creams and everything like that. But yeah, if you guys want to stick around and see how I self tan, then please keep watching. Okay, so first thing you want to do is scrub your entire body. I like using my Tree Hut body scrub. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. You really want to get a nice exfoliated skin. That way the skin is nice and smooth, there's no dead skin. So that's going to prolong the wear of your tan. It's going to make it look really fresh on freshly scrubbed, rejuvenated skin. And then you can wash yourself with anything. I just wash myself with my regular Method body wash. I really have been liking this shaving oil to get a nice, smooth, clean look without having to use a shaving cream. Also linking the razor that I've been using for years and years and years. So this is all my prep for literally my tanning routine. Aside from my foam formula from Bondi Sands, I really have been liking Deluxe Unfiltered Self Tanning Cream. It is really hydrating and really buildable, so you can use it as a daily moisturizer to give yourself a gradual color, or you can do it every other day. I really like to go in with your lotion as well, which is the body conditioning cream. So these products just help me these products really help me just further my tan. So even if I go in with my regular foaming tanning mousse, I'll keep it up with my self tanner moisturizer, and it'll last me a whole month of me just being tan, and then I'll alternate with my body conditioner. So those are the products that I mainly use for my tan, and then once we get to the face, I'll show you guys what I use for that. So now let's get to the fun. Alright, so here we have my Bondi Sands little mitt that you guys can literally buy anywhere, and I'm sure it comes with some of the tanners as well. So as you can see, I have two formulas right here, and I like to mix it with the gold because it gives it more of a yellowy golden undertone as opposed to the regular brown color. So I want to be more glowier than dark because we're going into the fall, and I don't really need to be super dark. I'll go with 2 pumps of the regular self tanner, and then I'll go in with a dollop like that of the glow one, and that's gonna be our mix. So let's start bronzing ourselves up. It's so hard doing it on the camera because I'm used to doing it on a mirror. The only areas that I care to double tan, going with a coat, are my arms and my legs and my torso. My butt, my thighs, my inner thighs, I really don't care for because it's not I'm gonna be at the beach or anything like that, and I don't really show that obviously. But I do wear lots of crop tops and stuff, and I'm always filming, my face and my neck and my arms. So I really want to make sure that the tan lasts a lot longer there. And then don't forget to always tan the back side of your arms. I tend to forget sometimes, and it's not cute. You guys can already see a slight difference in the colors. Just one looks more tan. So first I like to just apply the product where I want it, and then I go in circular motions, and I really just buff that out. And I'll have to have Jason come up and help me, but also make sure to get all around your neck and right under the jawline to create a really bronzed look, and it kind of gives it that defined chiseled jaw look. And then you can go with a brush for your hands, but I honestly this bronzer is not too intense, so I literally wrap my finger around the tanning mitt, and I really get into crevices and everything. And I do have gel on my nails, so I never have a problem wiping off any excess, so that's also very important. But you can already tell I got some color compared to my back, but I'll help Jason go ahead and do that. Okay, so first layer done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my legs, and then we'll go back for the second layer. You guys, you already see the color developing. How freaking pretty. Honestly, one of the best colors I've ever tried, and I've tried, girl, plenty of stuff, and I've been using this literally for years now. And that is the 2 coats. That is, ooh, see what I mean? See what I mean? I'm gonna get it on the go. So now I just called Jason over to tan my back. Pero, anyways, what I was gonna tell you guys was the ratio for the legs, because obviously it's like a longer situation. I forgot the word. Longer parts of the body. So what I do is 4 pumps of the regular formula, which is actually the dark color, and then I'll do 2 pumps of the gold formula. So 4 pumps, 2 pumps, 4 pumps of the regular, 2 pumps of the gold for each limb. That's the word I was looking for. And then I'll do like a little bit more, whatever's left over, rub it on my butt, my inner thighs, and my stomach. And yeah, that is literally like all the ratio that I do. And depending what I have to do, where I have to go, I'll usually tan overnight, or like I'll wash it off like at least 6 to 8 hours. I never wash it before like 4, but I need you to tan my back real quick. Alright guys, so with the help of my amazing husband, now she is all tanned up. We're gonna let this set, recover. I will let you know if I wash it tonight or tomorrow. What time is it? Right now it's 4:24. So let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So around like 10 o'clock at night or midnight, I will rinse it off. And yeah, if not, then I will sleep in it. I think I might sleep in it. It depends, because most times when I do self-tan, things go down, if you know what I mean. So I gotta vibe it out, see if it's worth it, washing it off early. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is now 9:40. I got 46 minutes till I have to rinse it off, but look at my hands in comparison to my face. As you guys can see, they are very nice and tan. I could leave it on overnight, but I feel like the color that I've developed right now, it's super nice and like the color that I wanted. I don't think I want it too dark, so I'm gonna wash it off real quick just with hot water, and then I'm gonna put some lotion on, and then when you wake up, it's still gonna be developing, so it's still gonna be dark. I'm just gonna rinse the majority of it off, but I'm gonna like wrap myself in a towel so you can see how my chest and my back looks. See? The tan is looking so good. It looks super natural. And I have no lotion or anything, just like dry skin. And you can see it's nice and glowy and shiny. Just looks like, gives you like the healthiest glow. I'm obsessed. Okay, we're gonna rinse off, lotion up, and get ready for bed. Okay guys, just got out of the shower. Now I'm gonna go in with my Lux Unfiltered lotion. Just to moisturize the skin, it's very important that you keep it moisturized. That way the self-tanner lasts longer. I feel like when I am self-tan, I moisturize literally like morning and night, just because you don't want it to crack or, you know, crease. That tends to happen a lot when you just don't like moisturize. So it's very important that you don't miss this step. And this smells like Santal. If you guys haven't smelled this scent Santal, you're missing out, babes. It's literally the best thing ever. So yeah, this lotion is it. I'm telling you, you guys will love it so much. Alright guys, I changed into my PJs. They're super cute. It's like brown PJs from Nasty Doll. I like being able to shower before going to bed because you can smell yourself. At least I can. There's some self-tanners that just like smell even worse. No matter what the product is, you're gonna smell literally the self-tanner. I find that BONDI Scans has a really good scent. It's not that bad, but I'd rather be a little less tan and go to bed smelling like, you know, my regular self. But I'm wearing like some loose PJs or satin, so they're not really gonna rub against the tan or, you know, smear or anything. So I have my PJs, link down below. So now we're gonna do the face real quick before I go to bed. Okay, so the face drops that I use are from Lux Unfiltered. They are face bronzing drops. So again, very nice and natural. If you apply the drops straight to the face, you're gonna have a little bit more of an intense tan. I like to always mix it with a moisturizer because I feel like that way it's gonna go on a little bit smoother, and then I kind of see what I'm working with, because remember, you're a tan face every day when you shower. So I wanna make sure that the face is even, but we do wash the face a lot more with like products and stuff. These you can apply every day or every time you like wash your face, and you'll get a nice little color. I think I am tan enough to actually go in now with like extra drops. And always make sure to wash your hands, because if you don't wash your hands, you're gonna have self-tanner in the palms of your hands. So now that I'm going with my second layer, I just like press it in the skin all over. It's really safe. You don't have to worry about it getting in your eye or anything. Very moisturizing. And then the rest I just go over. But you guys see the color? It's so pretty and so natural. I don't really like to self-tan my entire face. I just find that there's no need for it because it just comes off so fast. And for me personally, it might get stuck like in my pores. So that is my tan, how it's looking like at 10 o'clock at night. I will check in with you guys tomorrow morning. And this is the final result of the tan. It looks super nice and natural. I also went ahead and did my makeup. The face is also very, very tan, even though I did put like a lot of makeup on. So here's how the tan is looking after 24 hours. Even the hands, like right here, like I missed a spot, but you can see it's like super nice and natural, and you don't have like those like orange fingers. The wrists look pretty good. Everything is nice and even, and the nails are not like damaged at all. So this is the tan. How freaking cute, right? I think you should go do it. Don't be scared. Also, like your first time, like it might be a little bit tricky trying to figure it out. Moisturize if you have to. There's plenty of other videos I'm sure that you can look up to. I'm sure mine was helpful, but you never know. Literally, that's what the internet and YouTube is for. That's how I learned to self-tan, is through YouTube. But I hope that my little tips and tricks were able to help you guys figure out how to tan yourself and motivate you to do it at home. It literally takes a couple minutes to just rub it in. Make sure you look in the mirror so you don't have any like rough patches. If you don't tan your back, that's also fine. I've gone plenty of times without tanning my back, but it's easier when you have some help. But yeah, let's get our bronze on because fall's around the corner. Even though we're not showing our legs, we're showing our arms and our face. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like my self-tanning routine, and I'll probably do one again in the winter when I'm really fair. I might have a different concoction by then, but I will have the products that I use listed down below for you guys. And yeah, until next time, muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.